She hugs you, then pulls away. You think it's over. That's your mistake. What you do in the next few seconds decides if she forgets you or can't stop thinking about you. Most men ruin this moment instantly. Don't be one of them. Most guys believe a hug is nothing more than a quick gesture, just a casual hello, a polite goodbye, or a brief moment of contact that doesn't really mean much. But what if I told you that a single hug can quietly reveal how a woman truly feels about you? Curious, her level of comfort, her interest, her attraction, and sometimes even a curiosity she hasn't openly shown yet. The truth is, most men never learn how to read what's actually happening in that moment. They either respond awkwardly, pull away too fast, or freeze because they don't understand the message behind it. And without even realizing it, they send the wrong signals back. They come across as nervous, unsure, or even uninterested, even when they feel the complete opposite inside, excited. But that changes right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 different types of hugs women give and show you exactly how to respond so you never miss those subtle moments of attraction again. Once you start recognizing these patterns, you'll begin to notice things most men never even realize are happening. And I promise you, after this, you won't look at a simple hug the same way again. Curious. Before we get into the 4 types, there's something important you need to understand. Attraction doesn't usually come from words. It shows up in body language, in energy, and in those small physical interactions where emotions are expressed without being spoken. A hug is one of the most honest forms of communication because while people can carefully choose their words, they rarely control their body language perfectly. Thoughtful, the duration of a hug, how close she stands, the way her arms wrap around you, whether she lets go quickly or holds on just a bit longer. All of these small details reveal what she's really feeling, and once you understand how to read them, you gain a huge advantage in understanding attraction and female psychology. So, let's break down the 4 types of hugs you need to pay attention to. The first one is the friendly pat hug, curious. This is the most common type you'll come across. It's quick, usually lasting just a second or two. Her body leans in slightly. There's not much full body contact, and she might give you a couple of light pats on the back. It feels warm, but clearly friendly. Chuckles. This is the kind of hug people share with friends, colleagues, or someone they feel comfortable around without any deeper intent. Now, here's where a lot of men get it wrong. They assume this means rejection, but that's not necessarily true. Reassuring. A friendly hug simply means she sees you as safe and easy to be around. She trusts you and she feels relaxed in your presence. And believe it or not, that's actually a strong foundation. Attraction often grows out of comfort first. Instead of trying to force something more in that moment, your focus should be on building connection, encouraging. Be more playful. Hold eye contact a little longer. Create shared moments that bring you closer emotionally. Over time, that friendly energy can naturally develop into something deeper. The second type is the firm hug. This one carries a bit more weight. It lasts longer and you can feel intention behind it. Her arms wrap around you with more certainty, and it doesn't feel rushed. Thoughtful. This kind of hug usually signals that she's comfortable with you and enjoys being around you. There's a sense of familiarity and ease. But again, many men mishandle this moment. They get unsure and pull away too quickly, which can come across as nervous energy. Instead, when you receive a firm hug, allow it to last just a second longer than expected in a natural way. Don't overdo it. Just stay relaxed and present, curious. Then pay attention to what happens next. Does she smile when you separate? Does she keep eye contact? Does she stay close instead of stepping back right away? These are small but powerful indicators that she enjoys your presence, and that's an important step toward building attraction. Curious? Before we move into the last 2 types, which reveal even stronger signals, take a second to subscribe to On This channel. We break down attraction, female psychology, and relationship dynamics in a way most men were never taught. Excited? If you want to truly understand these moments and become more confident around women, make sure you're part of this space. Now, let's get into the hugs that most men completely misunderstand. The third type is the lingering hug. This is where things start to shift. A lingering hug is when the moment stretches beyond what feels normal. Curious. She doesn't rush to let go. Her body softens against yours. Her arms stay around you, and there's a pause where neither of you moves right away. That pause is important because attraction often lives in those quiet, extended moments. If she stays close, if her hands remain on your back, if she seems relaxed and at ease in your arms, there's a strong chance she's enjoying the closeness. And in this situation, the worst thing you can do is get uncomfortable and pull away too quickly. Instead, match her energy. Calm, stay grounded. You can gently place your hand on her lower back or give a light, natural squeeze before letting go. These small actions send a clear message without saying a word. They show confidence, and confidence is one of the most attractive qualities you can bring into any interaction. Thoughtful. When a man is relaxed in moments of closeness, it creates a sense of emotional safety, and that feeling is what allows attraction to grow deeper over time. The fourth type is the intimate embrace. This is the one that speaks the loudest without saying anything at all, softly. In this hug, she leans fully into you. Her head might rest on your shoulder or near your neck. Her arms wrap around you more tightly, and sometimes her hand moves gently along your back tenderly. This kind of hug shows a high level of comfort and often signals real attraction. Personal space is something people naturally protect. When someone willingly closes that distance and stays there, it means they feel safe and connected. If a woman holds you like this, she's not just being polite, curious. She's experiencing the moment with you. And sometimes she's also observing how you respond. Do you stay calm? Do you get awkward? Do you rush away? Or do you simply stay present and allow the moment to happen? When you find yourself in this kind of embrace, don't rush anything. Sighs, stay relaxed. Let the moment unfold naturally. Sometimes the strongest response you can give is simply being comfortable in silence. Real connection often grows in those quiet, unspoken moments. Now, here's the most important thing to understand. Thoughtful. Snorts. The biggest mistake you can make in situations like this is overthinking everything. Attraction doesn't grow from complicated techniques or forced actions. It grows from being present, from calm confidence, from your ability to stay natural and grounded in moments of connection. When you respond in a genuine way, instead of trying to control everything, you create space for attraction to build naturally, thoughtful, and women notice that. They notice when a man is comfortable in his own skin, when he's confident without trying too hard, when he's present instead of anxious. Those qualities stand out more than anything else. At the end of the day, a hug might seem like a small, simple gesture, but it can reveal more than words ever could. Curious. The way she holds you, how long she stays, how close she gets, all of these details communicate emotions that are often left unspoken. And once you start paying attention to them, you'll begin to understand moments that most men completely miss because attraction is often hidden in the smallest details. And the men who learn to recognize those details are the ones who build deeper, stronger connections. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about attraction, female psychology, and relationships, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Secrets of Her Mind. And now I want to hear from you. In your opinion, what's the strongest sign of attraction in a hug? Is it how long she stays, how tightly she holds you, or something else entirely?